Presentation, networking, and amazing food.
Useful for sure.
Great customer stories.
Mind-blowing.
Yeah, creative as well.
Happy customers.
Informative.
And a lot of fun.
I think today we saw the future of customer service, and I'm proud to be part of it.
The way the company has evolved over this stretch in time, I'm absolutely impressed. The clients that you have, the spirit that is between the clients, the openness of the exchange, and also the breadth of use cases that I've been seeing applying the technology is extraordinary.
And the journey has been really great, especially after we had a huge migration ongoing, and after that it really went to next level. So really happy to work with Cognigy together.
Before arriving here today, I had one idea about how Cognigy could be integrated in one single department, but after the whole presentation of today, I really have like 10 ideas about how Cognigy could really bring some benefit in different departments of the company.
I think there was a perfect combination between content and networking, like freestyling. So not too much information at one place, so we just could breathe again and then get content again, so it was perfect.
Things are really moving, so we want to spread news. We want to make some noise that there is Cognigy.
So that's why we're here. I think the future is going to be much more touchless. There's going to be much more technology, less repetitive work, and this is something that in the company we're trying to face and trying to tackle. And I think Cognigy is the right solution to do that.
So in the end, we saw today so many new technologies which are on the horizon. And for all of us, it's a new experience, it's a new way, which we will go together.
The passion that is in the room here. I've had countless people already come to me and say, this is amazing, we've never experienced a company event where so many customers willingly came on stage, presented everything, and with such passion, because that is true and that is important for us, that is the culture we want to live, and that is, I think, what we are seeing here today as well.